So deploy the NFT with on-chain metadata smart contract. First of all, let's create a new .env file in the root folder of our project and add the following variables. Now let's create a .env file here. Okay, new file env. Here it is. Now let's copy it and paste it here and navigate to alchemy. Here it is. You can create an account here. I have already created it and logged in here. You will see interface like that. Click on the newly created app, copy the API HTTP URL and paste it as testnet RPC value. So let's create an app here. Alchemy test. It's Polygon. It's Mumbai, and now let's create an app. Here it is. Now let's see the key. Here it is. Copy it and paste it here. What else we need here? Okay. Open your Metadata, click on the three dots menu, account details, and copy and paste your private key. Here it is. So click on it. Click on account details. Then click on export private key. It will give you the private key that you will going to use it here. Don't share this private key with anyone, because if anyone have this private key, then he can access your account. So I'm not going to expose it here, so you also don't share it with anyone or don't commit it in your Git repository. Now after that, we need to take the Polygon scan API key. Just create an account here. I have already created it, and then come to the API dash keys here. Now let's add the new key with the name whatever you like. Now I'm doing is alchemy dash week 3. Okay, so I have created it. Don't use it. We're going to delete it once this test is completed, or I might hide it. Okay, let's copy and paste this inside it. I will later add this private key from my MetaMask account, as I have just shown you how we can get it. So now copy and paste API key. Yes, we have pasted. Now last step before deploying a smart contract, we need to create a deployment script. Okay, so let's create a deployment script. Here it is. create a script file deploy.js and paste the code here. We are calling get contract factory, passing the name of a smart contract for from Reddit results. We then call the deploy function that wait for it to deploy, logging to the address, logging the address here. Everything is wrapped into try catch. There it is. Any error that might occur and print it out for debugging purposes. There it is. Now that our deployment script is ready, it's time to compile and deploy our dynamic NFT smart contract on Polygon. Okay, I think we have just we also required .env extension. I think we haven't added. Search .env. Yes, we do require it. Add it here. Yarn add .env, because we are using the .env file. That's why we do require this package. So package is installed successfully. Now let's compile and deploy the smart contract.